Young activist BARILANG had met NEWSPERSONS on Thursday, the 27th of January, to apprise through the media the imbalanced reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya. BARILANG, whose video on Meghalaya's reservation policy had gone viral in social media, had informed the general public about the unequal distribution of percentage towards job reservation amongst the Garos on one side and the Khasi and Jaintia people on the other. PYNGROPE, a postgraduate student in agriculture at Allahabad Swarth University, had brought to light the fact that while the Garo people have been allotted job reservation at a full 40%, the Khasis and Jaintias share the other 40%, which ultimately allows for only 20% for each tribe. PYNGROPE expressed her gratitude to the youth of Meghalaya who have been supporting her cause and also thanked North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum for inspiring her to take up this very important issue for the benefit and well-being of all young people of the state.
Battling, and I have been urging the government to listen to our plea to change the reservation policy, which is unequally distributed. So for that, we are going to hold a signature campaign on Saturday, that is the 29th of this month, and the venue will be at Maughar taxi stand, and it will be at 11 a.m. and I urge all the community to please come and sign. Please show us the unity that yes, this policy will have to change, and that is the whole message of this campaign that we are holding.
So what is your demand?
My demand is for the government to listen to us, that the reservation policy between the three tribes has to be equally distributed and it has to change.
So that means now the current 40% for Garos, that has to change.
Yes, the current percentage is 40% Garo and 40% Khasi and Jaintia. Khasi Jaintia population is too much now, so it cannot be on the same because many potential candidates are missing opportunities.
BARILANG also announced that there would be a signature campaign on Saturday, the 29th of January 2022 at the taxi stand at Motpran, Shillong. The campaign has been organized with an intention to move those in authority so that equal and fair distribution of jobs to all three tribes of the state is maintained. The youth activist therefore urged upon all local NGOs and members of the public, especially the youth, to join in the campaign so that the voice of the young people is heard and action is taken by the state government to once and for all review and update Meghalaya's job reservation policy.
I agree. This demand is not new. This reservation policy has been going on for 50 years. And enough is enough. And I see that no one is standing out. And even the youth is tired and hopeless, and I get that, even I am. But this is the last chance we have, and the youth is behind me because I know that I have no political agenda against this. I'm just an agriculture student, so it will have to listen. For now, I just know that we'll hold this signature campaign, and we need a leader, and we do not want to involve any political agenda in this. Get some suggestions as to what we will do next.